Hi guys, in this video I'm going to be showing you one of my favorite methods to achieve heatless curls. I actually made a similar video about 2 years ago which kind of became popular, but I really don't like how it turned out, so I wanted to redo it and just show you in a better way what I do. I will be using these flexible curling rods that I got from Amazon a few years ago. They were about $13. I will link them in the description in case you guys are interested, but obviously you can use any type of flexible rods that you have. I like that this bag has so many and has several different sizes. The largest ones will give you more of a wavy curls and the smallest ones will give you tighter ringlets. So for this method, you only need the flexible rods and you need your hair to be about 85% dry. My hair is just washed and I just comb through my hair and I think it's about 85% dry. So let's get started. So I start by roughly dividing my hair into two sections, so it's not in the way. I grab a little section of hair, and because I have layers and my hair is not the exact same length everywhere, I start by taking about 1/3 from the bottom and kind of wrapping it around the curling rod. Then I take each end of the rod and start rolling upwards. When I reach the top of my head, I bring the ends of the rod towards each other and kind of crisscross them, and then push the whole thing towards my head to secure it. I do that to every little section of hair, and it takes me about 10 minutes for my entire head of hair, which I don't think it's that bad. It's a pretty quick process.
What if I wake up happy? And what if I wake up sad? Sorry if I said something that made you mad. Wishing that I could call you. Sorry, my service bad. My bad. When I wake up, you're not next to me. Guess I'm missing all your energy. That's all I want. That's all I want. Promise I am not your enemy. I just need another memory. That's all I want. 'Cause all I want is you. Is you. It takes two. 'Cause all I want is you. Is you. It takes two. All I want is you. Tell me, does a flower in the shade ever feel a little jealous?
Okay guys, I am ready. All the rollers are in my hair and they might not look perfect, but they always work out somehow, so I'm not worrying about perfection right now. Just wanted to show you how many I've actually used. There are plenty left, so even if you have lots of hair, you're gonna have plenty of rollers. So the only step that we have left is basically sleeping in this, which is the biggest disadvantage of this method because it's not super comfortable, I'm gonna be honest. But for me, it's kind of worth it because I don't do it that often, and when I do, it lasts for a couple of days, so it's fine.
The next morning.
Good morning, guys. It's time to undo my curls. I lost one curler during the night, but that's fine. So the curls would be super intense when you first wake up, but I'm gonna brush them through and style them a little bit. To me, they're perfect a couple of days later or like the next day. The first day is usually pretty crazy, but I find a way to make them work. So what I like to do is I just put it in a ponytail for a little bit, for like an hour or two, so the hair can like chill down a little bit. Because right now it's like a little too intense for me, but I'm sure this can be a look that would look really good on someone else. So it's been a couple of hours and I like my hair more and more. I like that the curls are really well defined and like bouncy and stuff, but they're not like as crazy as they were before. And it's only gonna get better from here. Good morning, guys. This is my hair on day 2. It's overall pretty curly still. I have some sections on this side that are less curly, so sometimes I would touch them up with a curling wand, but I really like this like more wavy look. This is my day 3 hair, and it's my favorite because it's more wavy and like effortless, and I love it. Hey guys, it's been a couple of hours and this is gonna be my last check-in. This is what my hair looks like the afternoon of day 3, and I really love it. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you guys enjoyed the video. If you did, please give it a thumbs up. That really helps me. Make sure you subscribe if you enjoy my content, and I will see you in my next one. Bye guys!